morning everyone. Today we're going to Wae Rebo. It's going to be a long 6-hour journey and we're gonna be on board this car for the entire time. Hey, that's our driver.
Hello.
Hai Pak, apa kabar? So now we're gonna load our bags. Kok saya di depan sih?
I don't know.
And we're off! Yay! Yay! The road is supposedly pretty good from here on to Ruteng, but after Ruteng it's gonna be really epically bad. So yeah, watch out for that. Okay, so far so good. Okay, this is the start of the bad roads. You can see some of the rocks here are really large. So if you're riding a bike here, just be careful because you might puncture your tire and it's very hard to change your tire from here. Hi guys, so we are having a short stop over here. It's been a long journey. I think we've been driving for about 3 hours, or is it 3 hours? Probably, yeah. And our driver wants to have a stretch and there's a good view around here, so we're gonna take some photos and off we go again. Kids are saying hello to us. Hello! Apa kabar? Oh, apparently the kids said that they walk to school for about an hour every day. I would not go to school if it's an hour's walk. Bye bye! Jangan lupa sama kita. Oh, I forgot to introduce, this is Pak Eman. Hello. Hello. Yeah. And this is Tiago. Yeah, from Brazil. Thank you for joining us. And last introduction is Magdalena. Hello. She's from Chile. Okay, for all the Chilean subscribers, you have a friend here. Tiago and Magdalena has been traveling for what? 11 months?
11 months.
11 months. And they're going to Malaysia soon. So yeah, follow their Instagram, follow their blog. I'm gonna link it in the description down below. So make sure you follow. Hey guys, so we're here. You have to rent a bike from here to get to the first post. You don't need to, but you can.
You should.
You should, yeah, because it will save you 1 hour, and that costs about 50,000 or 40,000 depending on how you bargain. And the guide costs about 250,000 to go to Wae Rebo and to go back from Wae Rebo. So yeah, pretty reasonable. And there's a tourist information center here, which we can hopefully use the toilet. Kasih. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Bye guys! Bye. Don't forget me. I'll catch up. Yeah, so the tourist information center can also be a place where you can pray. And the toilet is pretty clean. They let you use the toilet in the rooms, which is very nice of them. Yeah, so thankful for all of this. Okay, now time to start the trail. Okay, off we go! Woohoo! So to save 1 hour, you need to take the motorbike up to post number 1. That was gonna save you 1 hour. Oh, makasih. Pak, nama apa?
Isidor.
Isidor?
Yeah.
Oh,
hello.
Nama keren ini.
How are you doing?
Hey, you made it! So this is the start of the trail and I'm with Exie, who is our guide, to bring us up to Wae Rebo. So hopefully we get there on time before sundown, and hopefully it's not slippery and hopefully there's no leeches. So we're at the second post. This is already way past the difficult parts because post 1 to post 2 is actually the steepest section, and now we're going to post 3. Post 3 is our final destination, and from then on I cannot film anything because we have to complete the welcoming ritual, and then only then we can start filming or taking pictures and stuff. So yeah, but the view from second post is quite beautiful. You should check it out.
What is that?
Ta-da! Magdalena and Tiago is still very strong. Don't worry, they're okay. Yeah, let's go. But unfortunately, Iqmal left us behind. Boo! Boo, Iqmal! Guys, so we took about 1 hour to get from post 1 to post 2. So post 1 is actually technically 1 hour, post 2 1 hour, post 3 1 hour. Yeah, good estimation. Foogie. Okay, we're at post number 3. After this, there's no more videos allowed. So yeah, this is the last shot before we go into the Wae Rebo village. Okay, see you in a while. So we're here, guys, and we've completed the welcoming ceremony. Oh, I need to be careful. Just now we learned so much about the culture, and guess what, guys? Each of this is 5 stories high. The first level is for their family activities. The second and third level is for their produce, like their grains and all that they harvest. And then the 4th level, what's in the 4th level? Oh, the 4th level is for the seeds, because they realized that when they put the seeds in the 4th level, somehow it's easier to harvest. And then the 5th level is for them to put their offering for their rituals. Interesting. Okay, so this is the place where we're going to stay for the night.
And hopefully, as you said, yeah, getting allowed.
So I guess this is us.
Yeah, well, that's the thing.
Oh guys, I'm so starving, so hungry, but thankfully it's food time. Oh, I forgot to mention that a night in this village costs about 325,000 per person per night, and it includes all the meals, which is quite reasonable. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to... Okay, everyone is asleep already. Yeah, so I guess we're gonna see you tomorrow.
The next day.
Good morning, everyone. It's time to check out Wae Rebo. Good morning, everyone. So we're in Wae Rebo. We had a good sleep yesterday. The bed is slightly hard, so I had some back pain. But otherwise, good sleep because it's quite warm inside that structure over there. I don't even know the name. Oh my god. Okay, anyway, this village is about 1,200 years old already. Really rich in history. So, by the way, whatever I'm gonna say now, disclaimer, I don't have a good memory of whatever I heard yesterday. So don't hate me in the comments, okay? Yeah, 1,200-year-old history and what else? Okay, hold on. Let me ask my wife. We talked to one of the person living here, and he told us the story of how Wae Rebo came to be. Apparently 2 siblings fought with each other, and one went to the beach while the other went to the forest. The one that went to the forest settled and built the village of Wae Rebo. And since then, 19 generations have passed. So this kind gentleman here told me that this place is called Batu Niang. Baru Niang. Oh man. So those are called Baru Niang. And this is Rumah Gendang. This is the main Baru Niang. Yeah, it's the only place where they can keep that gendang instrument. And also it's also where the head of the village stays. And there's rooms for 8 heads of family, right? Yeah, okay, good. You see, I have people behind me to tell me whether I'm right or wrong. So yeah, anyway, so there are about 7 Baru Niang. And each of them have about 5 floors. 5 floors? Okay, good. Wow. Yes! Oh, by the way, guys, this is the main altar. Don't put anything on this altar because I didn't know. Thankfully, somebody told me not to put my stuff over there. So yeah, remember that when you're here. Okay, breakfast time. So rice, vegetables, eggs, and emping. Okay, let's eat. Guys, some kids asked me to climb up here. Supposedly it's a better view. Yeah, it is a better view. Ta-da! By the way, this is how they make their rooftops. This is from the Ara, right? Bunut.
Yeah.
Bunut.
Bunut.
Unut. Yeah. Unut. Okay. Let's follow our little guide. Kids trying to open the door. Okay, coba. Dah. Ta-da-da. Wow. Check out this view, guys. Oh my god. Look at Amalia sitting there, totally unaware that I'm up here. Woo! Best view ever! And guys, this is the ladder to go up to the 5th floor. See, it goes all the way up there. 5 floors through this ladder that you can climb like this.
Pak, ini Pak.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, so I was in that house just now. So kind of the kids to bring me up all the way here. Whew, that was quite an experience. Alright, we're all packed and ready to go. So sad to be leaving this place. Goodbye, Wae Rebo. Goodbye. I will miss you. Definitely want to be back here again. Bye bye. Jangan lupa sama kami. Final glimpse.
Ayo kita
Bye bye.
ambil foto yuk. Adik-adik.
One eternity later.
Guys, so after a really long, like probably 9 hours journey, we're finally here and we're back in Labuan Bajo. Tomorrow is gonna be a start of another day and we're gonna go and explore Komodos. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. If you like the vlog, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the vlog, give it a thumbs down. And don't forget to subscribe if you like my content. And again, don't forget me.